At any given moment, our planet ranges in temperature from -30 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and yet in every region of the world, plants, animals, and humans have managed to create comfortable environments through relatively minor adaptations. The design of buildings is one example of how humans modify their environment to keep people comfortable, full of fresh air and not too hot or not too cold. There are many examples of habitat builders in the animal kingdom as well. For example, South African leafcutter ants have devised ways of supplying and removing air to regulate the internal temperature of a vast network of tunnels within their subterranean nest. This nest can extend 20 feet below the surface of the earth and contain up to 8 million ants. This strategy would be considered a passive strategy of ventilation. The ants excavate soil at grade and form multiple shallow mounds. Each mound has multiple openings or turrets at the top, which link to ventilation ducts or tunnels. The upper region of the nest mound is composed of outflow ducts, and the lower region of the nest mound is composed of inflow ducts. As wind passes over the mound, it creates pressure differences. The two tunnel types work together to create passive ventilation through the colony. There are other kinds of adaptations that animals make in response to their environment. For example, tundra bumblebees have dense hair on their bodies, which slows heat loss to the air. What's even more fascinating is that bees also shiver. When the bees shiver, their muscles generate heat which is trapped in their hair. This adaptation allows the tundra bumblebee to keep its body temperature 20 to 30 degrees Celsius above the air temperature. Similarly, humans have adapted buildings to optimize passive design strategies. Climate-responsive architecture affords greater comfort relative to energy use. From the Greenland igloo, to the Iraq house, to the Indonesian tongkonan, to the Nepali New War house, each of these climate-responsive and climate-modifying vernacular dwellings respond to regional climate conditions.